Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw capital letters, alphabets A to Z and numbers 1 to 10. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Red color, yellow color, blue color, green color, black color and white color. So kids, now I draw alphabets, and first I draw A, and U is red color. A for apple, A for aeroplane, B for ball, B for bat, C for cat, C for car, D for dog, D for doll, E for egg, E for elephant, F for fish, F for fan, G for God, G for glass, H for hand, H for helicopter, I for eyes, I for ice cream. So kids, now I draw J for joker, J for jackfruit. The alphabets of J and U is yellow color. K for kite, K for king, L for lion, L for lemon, M for moon, M for mango, N for nose, N for nest, O for orange, O for octopus. It's again use yellow color and draw P for parrot, P for penguin, Q for queen, Q for quill. Kids, now I draw R for rose, R for rice. The alphabets of R and U is blue color. S for sun, S for snake, T for teacher, T for tiger, U for umbrella, U for ankle, V for van, V for vanilla, W for wallet, W for wolf, X for x-ray, X for xylophone, Y for yak, Y for yo-yo, and Z for zebra, Z for zoo. So kids, now I draw numbers, and first I draw 1. The numbers of 1 and U is green color. O N E 1, 2, T W O 2, 3, T H R W E 3, 4, F O U R 4, 5, F I V E 5. So kids, now I draw 6. The numbers of 6 and U is black color. SIX 6, 7, S-E-V-E-N, 7, 8, E-I-G-H-T, 8, 9, N-I-N-E, 9, and last letter 10, T-E-N, 10, the numbers of 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.